How to install the Magic Dragon Kodi add-on. At the top left, click the System Settings icon. Click File Manager. On the left, click Add Source. Click where it says None. Enter the URL, http://maverickTV.net/mavrepo, and click OK. In the next box down, name it Mavrepo, and click OK. Go back to the main menu, and click Add-ons. Click the add-on package installer icon, at the top left. Click Install from zip file. A box will open, find and select Mavrepo. Click repository.maverickrepo3.8.zip. Wait for the top right to pop up and say, MaverickTV Repo, installed. Click Install from repository. Click MaverickTV Repo. Click Video Add-ons. Click the Magic Dragon. Click Install. A box will pop up showing all the dependencies and add-ons that will be installed. Click OK. Wait for the repository to download. Magic Dragon is installing now. That's it. Add-on installed. Enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.